TCL brings a massive display to the living room with the QM6K series. Check the link in the description for the best price. We are looking at the 85-inch model to see if its performance matches its size for your home theater setup. Let us talk about the picture quality and the motion handling you get. The 144Hz refresh rate provides an incredibly smooth experience for competitive gamers. Multiple HDR formats ensure your 4K content looks vibrant and detailed. Mini LED technology manages contrast effectively to keep dark scenes deep. The display technology ensures that fast motion stays sharp during your favorite games or sports. Here is how the hardware and smart features hold up for daily usage. Google TV keeps your apps organized and easy to access at all times. Onkyo integration offers a cleaner sound profile than most standard television speakers. You need extra hands to mount this large television safely. The smart interface is easy to navigate while the audio adds decent depth to the image. The TCL QM6K is clearly built for those who value screen size above everything else. The 144Hz refresh rate makes a massive difference in fast-paced games and live sports. While managing an 85-inch display is a major commitment, the value here is hard to ignore for a home entertainment upgrade.